Welcome to our new high-power, wireless charging system factory. Today we'll take you inside how industrial, contactless power systems are built, from product design to final assembly. This is our showroom, where our latest systems are displayed. Here is our 3000W wireless charger, delivering 42 to 58 volts and up to 60 amps. It is certified by UL, CSACE FCC ROHS, and REACH for global industrial use. Next is our 6000W high power system, designed for even more demanding applications, with an output range of 15 to 60 volts and up to 100 amps. This is our 600W explosion-proof wireless charging system, engineered for hazardous and high-risk environments where safety is critical. Here is a customized 1500W wireless charging system built for specific customer requirements. And this is our contactless power supply system, widely used in heavy-duty RVS, EMS overhead conveyor systems, and cleanroom logistics equipment such as OT, OS, OCHEV, and STEAT systems in semiconductor, fabs, and LCD manufacturing. This is our patent wall showing the technology and intellectual property behind our development. Now let's move into the production area. Due to cleanroom standards, filming inside the workshop is limited, but this is where precision manufacturing and quality control take place. Finally, we are in the office area, where our engineering and support teams work closely with global customers. For any inquiries about wireless charging or contactless power systems, please contact us at info@onepointech.com.